A person who wants to travel, he started his journey, he left his house. Does that mean he can do qasr? No, scholars said he should leave the limits of his city, the limits and buildings of his city. A person living in Sharjah who intends to travel to any country, can he now shorten his prayer? No. Now he entered Dubai. This was only one road. He entered Dubai. Did he leave the limits and buildings of his city? Yes, he did leave them. Now he is considered a traveler. He may shorten his prayer, he may combine his prayer, right? Because he's a traveler. He may pray Dhuhr and he may pray Asr in the airport, shortened and combined. Shortened and combined meaning he's joining both prayers. So he's going to pray Dhuhr, he's going to say pray 2 units, and they say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and he's going to be praying Asr prayer again 2 units. Okay. Now if you're living in Dubai, did he leave the limits of his city? No. Did he leave the limits of the buildings of a city? No. Can he do a qasr, shorten his prayer? No, he cannot shorten his prayer in the airport because he is still not yet a traveler. So once he travels by plane, he'll be considered a traveler. What about joining the prayers? Qasr, we know qasr is specific for a person who's traveling. So joining prayer is permissible for a person who is a traveler and also for a person who has a hardship in praying these prayers in its time. Let's say it was Dhuhr time. He's in the airport, it's Dhuhr time. But he knows that Asr time, all of the time of Asr, he'll be in the plane. Praying in the plane itself is hard because he's going to be praying sitting down, limited ruku', limited sujood. In this case, the case that I mentioned now, is going to be a hardship praying it on time. He can pray Dhuhr and Asr, not shortened, but combined. And he pray Dhuhr 4 units. طيب, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Standing up, doing an iqamah and praying Asr, again 4 units. But if he's going to be traveling and reaching the other destination, and Asr time still did not enter or is still in the time of Asr, and it's not going to be a hardship praying Asr in its time, he doesn't need to join the prayer.